Hello guys, in this video we're going to be learning about basic coding. So let's hope you enjoy the video and watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming great and exciting videos. Let's get on with it. First of all, we need to download Arduino IDE. So what you want to do is click or write Arduino. Then you will get the Arduino Uno or Arduino Home. Then click on that, and then you can go to the software tab. Click on that, and then there should be downloads option in the below. You will be downloading Arduino IDE 2.2.1. Okay, there are Windows version, the Linux versions, and the Mac OS version. So because I'm using Windows, I'm going to use the Windows option. Then after that you can contribute if you want, and just download it. I'm going to download it. You need to clarify your email and things like that, and if you don't want to, you can just download. Because I already downloaded it, I don't need to download it again. So that's it. So now what you need to do is go to Arduino IDE. After you open Arduino IDE, you will get this. First of all, first thing you see is a void setup and void loop. Okay, first things first, when you write a code, plug your board in. Okay, go to tools, go to board, and then there should be a board tab of different kinds of board. Pick any board that you have. In my case it's Arduino Uno, and select your port as well. My port is COM3, so that's it. First things first, I'm going to be talking about void setup and void loop in this video. Okay, first of all, void setup. Void setup means it only runs for once. Okay, so only runs for once means when we power the board, when we give power to the board, to the Arduino board, this setup will work once or work when the power is turned on. Okay, let's say we want to change a pin mode. Okay, let's say pin, that's not how you write it, pin mode. Then what you need to do, put brackets, and then you can put a, let's say if you attached a LED to your digital pin or to your digital pin, you want to do is basically put a name or digital pin number. In my case, I'm going to put just LED as the name, and then I'm going to put a comma. And the reason why you need to put a comma is pin mode changes the digital pin that powers our LED. This is going to be changing the inputs and outputs. So what you want to do is, because the LED is an output device, we need to put it at the output pin mode. Output pin. And when you wrote a code, and at the end of this bracket or end of any code you write, you need to put a semicolon. This is a semicolon. Okay, where my cursor is at, that is a semicolon. Okay, now let's say our void setup is down for now. Okay, pin mode LED, comma output. Our LED is on output. That's our output. Now let's say we want to turn it on. Okay, what we need to do is put digital write, digital write, and then put brackets, and then put the LED or the digital number that you put your LED to, then comma. You don't put output here, you put high or low. high means you are giving 5 volts to your LED, okay, and low means you are giving no volts to that LED. So in my case I need 5 volts to my LED. So I'm gonna do is put high. Okay, that's our high. High means on. Okay, then I'm gonna put a semicolon. Okay, now that's it. If we want to put a LED on, and if we want to turn it off, we could do is copy this and paste it, and then we could do is put the LED digital pin or name and then change the high on low. Now it instantly turns on and instantly turns off, and we don't want that. Let's say we want to make a blinking light. So what do we need to do? So we need to space them, and we need to put a delay. Okay, then put brackets, and then when you're writing in Arduino IDE or any sort of code editor, you need to do is 1 seconds, you need to put 1000 milliseconds. Okay, this runs on milliseconds. So let's say I want to put my LED light on, and in seconds later, and then it turns off. And remember, this is a void loop. Okay, what void loop means is, if let's say digital write high, LED 1 high, okay, then let's put 1000 milliseconds and then a semicolon to finish that sentence. Now first things first, the Arduino Uno will do this: digital write LED on high, which means giving it 5 volts, then waiting a little bit, a delay, okay, then goes for the second digital write, that means LED low, it means turns off, and then this cycle repeats over and over again. That's it for the video. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and watch till the end. And don't forget to again subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos and more videos like this. So bye.